Tempest, a new name in the skies. Built by the UK, Italy, and Japan. A sixth-generation stealth fighter, designed to rule the air in the 2030s and beyond. This is not just another fighter jet. Tempest is a flying combat system. With AI, swarming drones, hypersonic missiles, and electronic warfare tools. All controlled by one pilot, or no pilot at all. Who's building Tempest? The UK leads the project, with support from Italy and Japan. Together, they form the Global Combat Air Program, GCAP. Major companies like BAE Systems, UK, Leonardo, Italy, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Japan, are working together on the design. Target entry. By the year 2035, the Tempest will enter service, replacing older jets like the Eurofighter Typhoon. What makes it different? Light bulb artificial intelligence. The jet can assist or fly autonomously. 360-degree situational awareness, with advanced sensors and data fusion. Satellite swarm drones, works with unmanned systems in real time. Rocket hypersonic weapons, faster and farther than today's missiles. Shield stealth design, undetectable by radar. Crossed swords cyber warfare tools, ready for digital combat. Tempest is modular. It can adapt and upgrade quickly. Need new software, new weapons, just update it, like a smartphone. The cockpit. There may not even be one. Pilots could wear an AR helmet and fly using voice and eye movement. Or control it remotely from the ground. Tempest won't fly alone. It will be supported by loyal wingman drones. Unmanned jets that fly alongside, scout, and even attack enemies. Why is this important? Because the world is changing fast. Countries are preparing for future wars where speed, stealth, and data will decide who wins. Tempest is being built for that future. A jet that doesn't just fly, it thinks. Will it beat the F-35 or Su-57? Too early to say. But one thing is clear. Tempest is one of the most advanced fighter jet projects on Earth. Fast, smart, stealthy, connected. The Tempest is coming. And when it arrives, the skies will never be the same again. Love future fighter jets? Like this video, subscribe to Cars Story, and comment what next-gen aircraft you want to see next. Auto Express Hub, where machines meet power.